Hi everyone, it's Miss Goldman and we are going to be doing Eureka Module 5, Lesson 14 on our 14th day of distant learning. So remember this lesson goes along with the live lesson that we did earlier today. And if you missed that, I'm sorry. I wish I could have seen you. I would have loved to seen you because I miss you so much. And if you did already come to the live lesson, but you're like, I want to hear it again and I want to make sure I understand how to do the homework, that is great. Good for you, because this lesson will help you do the homework along with the problem set that we are about to do. Also, remember, if you cannot see all the pictures, you can always print out the lessons with the PDF that's attached, or you can look at the PDF and draw in those images. Remember, if you are doing this on paper, please remember to send me pictures of your work either through Classroom, Google Classroom, or Class Dojo. That way I can give you credit for what you did. Also remember, if I'm going too fast, just press pause, or you can always rewatch this video. So let's get started. So for this first part, it says draw a number bond for each fractional unit. Partition the fraction strip to show the unit fraction of the number bond. Use the fraction strip to help you label the fraction on the number line. Be sure to label the fractions at 0 and 1. So here, you see we have our fractions 0 and 1. You can see I put in 1/2 and 1/2. And over here, we have our number bond. It's one whole. All of them you can see are one whole because these are one whole. And 1/2 and 1/2 make one whole. So you are going to do thirds, fourths, and fifths now. Take your time. If I will let you know when I'm about to change slides, so you can press pause if needed. All right, and I'm going to be going on to the next slide to show you the answers. So here you see we have our thirds. There's 3 of them, all saying 1/3. And we have our 1/3 over here, broken up into 3 pieces, our 1/4ths, and our 1/4ths. As you see, I did it in the strips and right on the number line as well. So let's keep going. So for this one, it says Trevor needs to let his puppy outside every quarter. Remember, 1/4 every. So it looks like this. There's going to be 4 pieces. Hour to potty train him. Draw and label a number line from 0 hours to 1 hour to show every 4th hour. Include 0/4 and 4/4 hour. Label 0 and 1 hour too. So you just need to draw a number line for this one and make sure you label which is 1/4 for Trevor's puppy to go outside. You can just draw a dot for that. Take your time. All right, we're going to go over the answers. So here you can see I have my number line. I have 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. And I put a dot at 1/4 for when he would be puppy trained. Now, I just drew this, but if you want to, because as you know, go from that 3 to 4, you write a sentence. So you would say, Trevor Trevor takes his puppy, I started getting ahead of myself, puppy every 4th hour to train. And as you see, starting with a capital letter, even though Trevor should be capitalized because it is a proper name, which we have gone over. Proper names are always capitalized and ends with a period. So let's keep going. It says a ribbon is 1 meter long. Mrs. Lee wants to sew a bead every 1/5 a meter. The first bead is at 1/5 meter. Last bead is at 1 meter. Draw and label a number line from 0 to 1 meter to show where Mrs. Lee will sew beads. Label the fraction including 0/5 and 5/5. Label 0 and 1 meter too. So remember, you have to include 0/5 and 5/5 and 0 and 1 meter. All right, take your time. All right, and we're going to go over the answers. So as you see, I have my line. I start at 0/5 and go to 5/5 with 0 to 1, as they said, and I draw it out 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, and it said she sews a bead at every 1/5 and then at the meter mark. So that's where it is. So that was actually the last problem for this lesson. I hope you were able to learn how to draw these, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!